Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 brightness problem. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar and then search for Device Manager. Now, once you do that, click on Open. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to look for monitors. So once you see it, just click on the drop-down button and then you will see your monitor. So just select the monitor that you're having problem with. So we're going to right click on it and then we're going to click on disable device. After that, click on yes. And then after that, what we're going to do is to enable it again. So we're going to right click on it and then we're going to click on enable device. So once you do that, we're going to check now if it is now working. However, if it is still not working, then what we're going to do next is to right click on it and then we're going to click on update driver. After that, we're going to click on search automatically for drivers. And then once it is done, once Windows installed the best driver for your device, we're going to click on close and then restart our PC. And then that should fix our problem. However, if that did not work, then what we're going to do next is to go into our search bar and then search for CMD and then run it as administrator. Now, once you're here, what we're going to do first is to type chkdsk and then click on enter. After that, let's wait for it to finish. Once it is done, we're going to type prompt right here and then click on enter once again. And then in this part, what we're going to do next is to type sfc space /scan file, then equal sign c colon /windows /system 32 /ieframe.dll. Once you type it, just click on enter. And then after that, what we're going to do next is to type sfc space /verify file equal c colon /windows /system 32 /ieframe.dll. And then after that, click on enter. And then once it is done, we're going to type now sfc space /scan now. After that, click on enter. And then let's wait for it to finish. So it will take some time. And then once it is completed, all you have to do now is to restart your PC by going here and then click on the restart button. And then after that, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.